How to create new meeting on Zoom mobile. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create new meeting on Zoom mobile. First go to Zoom and now you need to go to this icon here, meet chat, meet and chat, and then just click this one, new meeting, click on it. And now as you see, all you need to do is just manage this one. If you want video on or off, just click here. And now you need to share this ID to your friend or to someone, and then just click start meeting. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.